Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 4 Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery percentage. Basically you have the percentage on it. Tap on this icon to open the battery menu, like this. And here we have the option called battery saver. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And this should basically put the watch into the power saving mode. It looks like this. You have access to the battery life, battery percentage, time, date and steps, and that's about it. You can't access anything else. Okay, and to exit the power saving mode, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the normal watch face. Like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.